1. What is computer system validation, CSV? Computer system validation, CSV, is the documented process of ensuring that a computerized system, such as software or hardware used in the pharmaceutical industry, works according to its intended purpose and complies with industry regulations, like those set by the FDA, EMA, or other regulatory bodies. CSV ensures that 1. The system operates consistently and correctly. 2. The system meets the user's needs and expectations. 3. Data integrity, security, and accuracy are maintained. CSV process overview. 1. Planning. Create a validation plan outlining the system's intended use, the scope of validation, and the steps involved. 2. Requirements definition. Define functional and user requirements. 3. Risk assessment. Identify critical aspects of the system that could affect product quality or patient safety. 4. Qualification testing. IQ, installation qualification, ensures the system is installed correctly. OQ, operational qualification, verifies the system operates within predefined parameters. PQ, performance qualification, confirms that the system performs under actual operating conditions. 5. Documentation. Maintain comprehensive documentation throughout the process. 6. Ongoing monitoring. After validation, periodic review and system maintenance are required. 2. Overview of 21 CFR Part 11. 21 CFR Part 11 is a set of regulations issued by the FDA that establish requirements for the use of electronic records and electronic signatures in FDA-regulated environments, particularly in the pharmaceutical, medical devices, and biotechnology sectors. Key provisions. Electronic records. The regulation allows electronic records to be equivalent to paper records, provided specific criteria are met to ensure data integrity. Electronic signatures. Part 11 sets requirements for using electronic signatures in place of traditional handwritten signatures. This includes ensuring the signature is unique to the user, verifiable, and linked to the relevant electronic record. Audit trails. Systems must maintain a secure audit trail to track any changes made to electronic records. This ensures transparency and traceability. Security controls. Systems must have mechanisms in place to protect records and signatures from unauthorized access or tampering. This includes user access controls and password management. 3. Detailed breakdown of 21 CFR Part 11 requirements. Electronic records, Subpart B. 1. 11.10. Electronic records must have controls to ensure authenticity, integrity, and confidentiality. Systems should be able to generate accurate and complete copies of records, including metadata. 2. 11.50. Electronic records must contain certain information, such as timestamps and the identity of the person responsible for data entry or modification. 3. 11.70. Systems must maintain archival copies of records to ensure availability for future audits or inspections. Electronic signatures, Subpart C. 1. 11.100. Each electronic signature must be unique to an individual and must not be reused or reassigned. 2. 11.200. When electronic signatures are used, two forms of authentication, e.g., a username and password, are required at the time of signing. 3. 11.300. Systems should implement security measures to ensure signatures cannot be falsified or altered. Audit trails and security. 1. Systems should have audit trails that record who made changes, when, and why. This ensures that any changes to critical data are tracked. 2. User authentication. The system must verify the identity of individuals entering or modifying records to prevent unauthorized changes. 3. Data backup. Regular backup procedures are required to prevent data loss or corruption. 4. Key CSV and 21 CFR Part 11 principles. Data integrity. Ensuring that data cannot be altered or falsified is central to both CSV and 21 CFR Part 11 compliance. Systems must track changes and provide tamper-evident audit trails. Risk-based approach. In CSV, systems are validated based on the risk they pose to product quality and patient safety. Higher-risk systems require more rigorous validation and testing. Documentation. Comprehensive documentation is crucial in both CSV and 21 CFR Part 11 compliance. Every step of the validation process and every action taken on a system must be documented for audit purposes. Training. Employees must be trained on how to use validated systems properly and how to comply with the requirements of 21 CFR Part 11, particularly regarding electronic records and signatures. 5. Challenges of 21 CFR Part 11 and CSV compliance. 1. Complexity. The requirements for CSV and Part 11 compliance are extensive, often requiring companies to implement custom validation protocols for different systems. 2. Documentation. Proper documentation is labor-intensive but essential for proving compliance during FDA audits. 3. Evolving technologies. As technology evolves, e.g., cloud-based systems, AI, maintaining CSV and Part 11 compliance can become more challenging, requiring constant system updates and revalidation. 6. Tools and technologies for CSV and 21 CFR Part 11 compliance. Several software solutions can help automate and streamline the process of computer system validation and ensure compliance with 21 CFR Part 11. These include 1. Master Control, a comprehensive compliance and quality management system designed for regulated industries. 2. Viva Vault, a cloud-based solution that includes document management, training, and quality control modules for life sciences companies. 3. TrackWise, a quality management system that automates compliance workflows. Conclusion. Computer system validation, CSV, and 21 CFR Part 11 work hand in hand to ensure that computerized systems in regulated industries, such as pharmaceuticals and biotechnology, are reliable, secure, and compliant with FDA regulations. While CSV focuses on ensuring that systems perform correctly and consistently, 21 CFR Part 11 provides guidelines on the use of electronic records and signatures in a way that ensures data integrity, security, and traceability. Understanding and complying with these regulations is crucial for companies to maintain high standards of quality and avoid penalties during FDA inspections.